Looky what we got here. Another one. That's where my white one come from. But my white one was not as nice as this old girl. This thing is amazing. Beautiful color. But I'll definitely 35,000, 48 miles. Tap shift. Moonroof. These seats are beautiful. Monsoon. Heads-up display. Can't wait. Got a lot of projects coming. It's another one. 50,000 miles. Good for the Grand Am with what was on that, 40,000 miles. And doing a little bit of work to the 08 LT. It's ended up doing everything, all the swap to it, and ended up blowing the clutch out of it. Hydraulic throwout bearing went. But yeah. So a little bit of an update of what's going on here at the garage. Not a mechanic, so this ain't just me. This is me and my brother. But I only spilled a little bit of coolant. Not bad. I'm getting better. Just give me a break. But see ya.